The percentage yield of a chemical reaction is just one of many deciding factors in determining whether or not a reaction is economically viable. And what we're doing is comparing the experimental or the actual mass of the product we get out when we actually do the reaction with how much we could theoretically get out, what the maximum mass of the product is, and it's just a simple percentage. Let's have a look at this example here. Let me change my colour pen. So calculate percentage yield of a reaction to produce ethanoic acid. We started with 13 grams of ethanol, we produced 10 grams of ethanoic acid. The first thing I'm going to say, and this, I apologise if I'm telling grandmothers to suck eggs, please do not divide 10 by 13 and multiply by 100. I have seen that done so many times. Everything in chemistry requires us going back to moles and ratios. So where are we going to start? We're going to start with the fact that we have 13.0 grams of ethanol. If I divide that by the molar mass of ethanol, which is 46, that tells me that I have 0.283 moles of ethanol. Now, this is a balanced equation. I know it looks a little unusual because it's an oxidation reaction, but bear with me. We can see here that 1 mole of ethanol produces 1 mole of ethanoic acid. I didn't start with 1 mole of ethanol. I started with 0.0283. So theoretically, I should produce 0.283 moles of the ethanoic acid. How much would that be? Well, let's multiply it by its molar mass, which is 60. I should make 16.98 grams. However, I didn't. Tells me in the question that in this particular reaction, I made 10 grams. Why do we not make our maximum theoretical mass? Well, there are lots of reasons. It may be that the most common one, obviously, is that the reaction, not all the reactants reacted. Sometimes that we can get a reversible reaction set up. Lots of reasons there. Okay, so in order to work out the percentage yield, it's going to be 10.0. So how much we actually made, divided by how much we could have made, multiplied by 100, and that comes out 58.9%. Percentage yield for this reaction is 58.9%. If this has been useful, hit the subscribe button, the effortless way to support your studies, and by clicking the link in the description below, it'll take you straight to Crunch Chemistry School, where you can access my free maths skills course, complete tuition, and worksheets designed specifically to build your confidence and stretch you. Together we can do this.